I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. What is you doing?
I just taking a picture.
No, I'm. Oh no, it's blurry. Cause I'm about to close on my home at 9 o'clock. Mom, how you feel? It only took like 20 minutes. It was less than 30.
Hey,
It's done.
it's done.
So now I'm at the light bill company to get my utilities turned on. Ooh, she all on my camera. Bye. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go get my utilities turned on. And I was not able to record, obviously, while signing documents in the lawyer's office, but let's go. Okay. I got stuff back there, y'all know that. But I just came back to pick up the keys and stuff. I had to wait so it could be recorded at the courthouse until they can give me all of that. So I got that. Hey y'all, so I just purchased my home probably a little more than an hour ago. And I told you guys I would do a tour. So this is it. So when you walk into my front door, this is the living room. And I'm gonna try to, take my time with this. This here is a closet. I don't know why I was so zoomed in. This is a closet here in the living room. Be able to put some stuff in there. Okay. And then this here is the living room. And I'm so excited. Got the fireplace there. My shoes. And you come this way, this is the dining room. And I'll take y'all this way first. So this here is the kitchen. This is where my washing machine would go. And it has a it has a built-in breakfast nook
That's bolted to the floor.
I know. And this is where you would put all your my spices. And then I do have a storage closet right there, or pantry. Okay, so let's come out this way. This here is the sunroom. It's the sunroom. And out here, that's the area where my dryer would go. And let me show you guys while I'm back here. This is the backyard. It does come with the storage building built in with the house. And then that one there is, the other storage building. This patio area right here. This is a privacy garden wall. That way, if you are in the sunroom, people can't just be looking in on you. But I'm still gonna put like maybe some sheer white curtains for decor, and just to have a little bit more privacy. But this here is a little privacy wall. I love it. And then this is the backyard. Has a lot of side yard. I will be getting that fenced, my yard fenced, within the next week or so. So I'm gonna take you back into the house. So I actually have two entrances into the home. So this one will take you to the dining room. This is the office, but I'm just gonna go through here and show you. So this will be my office area. So you got the bookshelf, the bookcase, and this is it. This is where my office will be. And the sunroom. This really needs to be open. But this here is the other end of the home. So I didn't even turn the lights on right now, but might need to. So here is a closet. Let me show y'all. In this hallway, there's a lot of closets in this hallway, but this here is one linen closet. And then here is another closet, and it actually goes all the way down there. And let me see here. This is actually the laundry chute So you throw your dirty laundry in there and it goes down into your, you know, your laundry basket. But yeah, shifts. So I'm gonna move into where I'm making the master bedroom. So this here, first bedroom, and it does come with 2 closets. So this first closet here has shelving, has 1 shelf over here in the rail where you can hang things. So that's that closet. And then you'll come over here to this closet, has more shelves, more space. It's actually pretty big walking inside. This is a half bathroom inside of this bedroom. So yeah. And let me see if y'all can see that this is the sunroom. So she's in the sunroom. Okay, so let's go to the next room. So this here will be my guest bedroom. It's a little bit smaller, but still a nice size room. I love the windows. This is the closet for this room here. But yeah, this here is the guest room. Now down here, we do have the full bath. It comes with the original towel. I actually like it, black and white. My favorite color is pink, so I'm gonna do like a little pink theme in here with the black and white. I think that'll go perfect. Sink, toilet, shelving area. But this is the full bath. And then the last bedroom here is really big. I think I'm gonna make this like a little maybe beauty room, she shed area. But I'm gonna show you this bedroom here. It's really big. And then this is the closet for this bedroom. So you got all that space there, down there. And it also comes with some shelves and whatever. So this is my house. I know I told you guys I would promise I would give you guys a tour. I'm not gonna do, as you know, the traditional type of housewarming due to COVID. It will be, if you want to come by, it will be like a drive-through, so you can just stop by and bring things. But most of you guys have given me, like, you know, like Cash App, or have already sent items to my address. So because people won't be coming in to actually see the house, I'm doing it this way to give you guys a tour. So thank you guys for your love and your support. I am complete with this home purchase and I love it, and it's time to move in and start decorating. Bye.